Here's something to understand about the economy in order to become financially successful. This is probably the most important thing for you to comprehend on your journey to becoming rich on this edition of Virtual Wealth 101, and I'll see you in 8 seconds. I'm your host, Plateau Sigma, which is my gamer tag, so add me on the PlayStation Network and don't forget to like and subscribe. So a quick tidbit about the American economy. So you want to be rich, right? You want to be wealthy? Well, here's something to think about. The American economy is based on consumerism. I think most of you know that or have an idea of that, but no one has ever really put it into words until now. We're being bombarded constantly with ads and offers in every imaginable form with the intention of getting your money.
It's all this money. This is the end result of all the bright lights and the comp trips, of all the champagne and free hotel suites, and all the broads and all the booze. It's all been arranged just for us to get your money.
The American economy's lifeline is consumerism. The American economy does not want you to be saving money or investing. It wants and needs you to spend money. Do you remember what happened after September 11th? The leaders tell you to go out and spend money. What happened when the you-know-what shut down the economy? They send you a check to go out and spend. So what does that mean for you in getting rich? It means that you have to view yourself as a business instead of just a consumer. After all, didn't the Supreme Court rule that corporations could be viewed as people? Fine. People can and should view themselves as corporations. So what's the nature of corporations? To look after every dollar you spend, make cuts where there's waste, be frugal, and profit off of everything, or at least try to. Now, what I'm about to say right now is the most important phrase I'm going to tell you in this video. In the American economy, in order to be well off, you either have to be a producer or a middleman to get ahead. If you're just a consumer, the odds are severely stacked against you. You either have to produce a good or service, the more scarce the better, or be the one who gets the good or service from a producer and sends it out to the consumers for purchase, the middleman. Now, you could survive being a consumer, but again, the odds are severely stacked against you. And chances are that as a consumer, you're just going to be doing only that, consuming. So, how do you be a producer or a middleman? That's for you to invest a little time and introspection on what would work best for you. There's just way too many personalities out there for me to address each and every single type of idea or method that exists. But let's look at some quick examples though. Is there a need in your community that is underserved right now? Do you have a talent or an ability to fulfill that need? Maybe you're an artist and you live in a community with a lot of kids whose parents want to nurture their creative side. But let's be honest, they probably want them out of the house for a bit. Maybe you're strong and in shape. You ever think about being a personal trainer? Did you happen to come across the latest toy fad, like remember those little spinners that came out a few years ago and they're really, really popular? Did you check a dropship site like Alibaba to see if you could wholesale them for cheap and then sell them on Amazon? Maybe you work in an office building without a vending machine. All these are examples to get you thinking, to be creative. Take a look at your surroundings and look for opportunities. I will say this though, if you're thinking of getting a little side business or a main business going, your best opportunity for success is going to be something that you love or have a talent in doing. So in a future video, I'm gonna go ahead and check out this concept and let's see if we can get to the nitty-gritty of what you have a talent in, what you can do, and how you can make that into your own business. That's all for today. I've been your host, Plateau Sigma. So go ahead and, again, add me on the PlayStation Network. We'll game it up. If you have any questions or any comments, any ideas for future videos, you can email me at supermeditations1@gmail.com.